Okay, today I will show you how the pedestrian push button work with our pedestrian light and traffic controller system. This one is pedestrian light, and this one is the controller, and this one is the pedestrian push button. Usually, if there are no people to press the push button, or the pedestrian light, red man will work on, and once the people press the push button, the red man will flash. The man need to wait. The green man work on. Okay. Now you can see the green man start to work, and the counter timers also counter time. That's working. Okay.